Hello there, this is more like Check, and today we're gonna discuss how to get the latest build of Windows 11 as ISO files straight from Microsoft servers. Have you been unable to obtain the Windows 11 update through the Windows Insider program for various reasons? Follow this walkthrough and I'm gonna show you how to download the ISO file plus trying it on a virtual machine. First of all, let's go to the browser and type uupdump.com. This website provides Windows previews from all type of releases like dev channel, beta channel, release preview and public release. As we know that Windows 11 is still on the dev channel, so let's go ahead and click on it and make sure you choose the right architecture. So now we're gonna select the language we want in our operating system. Select which Windows edition you want included. I will keep Pro because it's enough for me. And click Next. And here the recommended option is the second one, download and convert to ISO. It's reliable and easy. In here select if you want to have any feature included in the system and finally click Create Download Package. Keep in mind that the files should not be extracted in a folder that have a space in its name. As you can see, I didn't leave any space in the file's name. After running the tool, you can see the progress. It's automatically downloading all the required files and create an ISO file for you. Okay, after 2.5 hours of waiting, everything is completed. Once completed, you can see here that the Windows 11 ISO file is saved to the same folder where I extracted the package files. Okay, now I think we have the ISO file ready. Let's go and try it out in the virtual machine. Here we are at the end of the videos. It seems like the ISO file is up and running. Thank you for staying with me till this point, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you can get more new content. This was More Like Tech. Thanks for watching and goodbye.